Hello, my name is Sitikon Yilakman.
Hello, my name is Anekpong Puthavi.
Hello, my name is สุภากรเที่ยงทัศน์
Hello นายทศวรรษรัตนะ
We are from Golden Jubilee Royal Cosmic College.
Today we are present the light of nature which was created using a blend of Thai art ethics and modern design, creating a fundamental technique called สลักดุล or repoussé.
We took this technique and developed it into a new product from entering a handcraft story through a new medium.
The lamp was created with copper and wood, and we used detail engraving and repoussé work to reflect motif derived from nature.
Inside the lamp is a Bluetooth LED light and speaker that can be controlled with an app on our phone. It is also powered by solar cell, making it sustainable light source. It's not just a piece of decorative art, it is also a functional household item.
Overall, this lamp combines traditional Thai art with modern technology and process art.
Thank you for listening.